Ready to unlock a world where Chatgpt and Zapier team up to become your ultimate productivity power couple. First, make sure you have both a Chatgpt Plus subscription, which grants you plugin access, and a Zapier account. Open Chatgpt and navigate to the plugin store. You'll find this in the settings under Beta Features. Search for the Zapier plugin and install it. Once installed, authenticate the plugin by connecting it to your Zapier account. This will allow Chatgpt to access and control your Zapier workflows. Now, think about a task you want to automate. Let's say you want to automatically save new leads from a Google form to a Google Sheet. Head over to Zapier and create a Zap. The trigger will be a new form submission in Google Forms. Next, the action will be to add a new row to your Google Sheet, mapping the relevant form fields to the correct column's name, and publish the Zap. Return to Chatgpt Craft, a prompt that instructs Chatgpt to use Zapier to create a lead in your Google Sheet from a specific email. For instance, you might say something like, "Use Zapier to add this new lead to my Google Sheet. Name John Doe. Email John Doe at email.com. Company Acme Corp." Chatgpt will then use the Zapier plugin to trigger your Zap, review the details in Chatgpt, and confirm the action. Boom. The lead is automatically added to your Google Sheet. You can automate countless tasks like sending emails, creating calendar events, or updating project management tools. Experiment with different prompts and Zap combinations to discover the full potential of this powerful duo.